In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can delete pages in Microsoft Word without affecting the other pages. So let's go quick into the process. So I have this document from here which has 5 pages, and I want to delete the third page without affecting the format of the other pages. So how can we easily do that? It's just very easy, okay? First is you just need to simply move the cursor or click on the page that you are going to delete. So I want to delete the third page. So I have this cursor blinking on my third page. Then press Ctrl G on keyboard, Ctrl G as in guava. And here you'll find go to what, click on page. And you have here enter page number. Just simply type \page. And then click on go to. And then close this and simply press the backspace key on keyboard, and that's it. So that's how you can easily do it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.